Hey, it's Lisa Harris with RE/MAX Center. Do you like living like you're on a vacation every day? If so, I have the community for you. Did you know they have 3 swimming pools? They have 8 tennis courts. They have a tennis pro on staff. There is an activity building. There is also a separate clubhouse where I am now. And they have a gym. They have pickleball courts now. Those are brand new. And oh my gosh, they have it all. And Apalachee Farms actually wraps around the Trophy Club of Apalachee Golf Course. This has got to be one of my favorite places. I've sold more homes here than any other location. So come out and check out this beautiful golf course. We're in Tequila, Georgia, right in the middle of 316 and 85, convenient to Atlanta and Athens. And this golf course is just amazing.
I've lived here since April Fool's Day 2001. I've been an ambassador on the course since July 2001. I love it. I love the people that play here. The neighborhood is just friendly, and it's the way that I want to go, a place I want to stay. The people here are very friendly. They have scrambles on Thursday night. They have nine and dine for couples, for the family. It's just a good, friendly place to live. I've got many children, 26 grand and great-grandchildren. They love the schools in the area. We have everything you need here.
Awesome. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure talking to you today. Come out and see us. We're in Tequila, Georgia, right in the middle of 85 and 316, and just minutes to the Mall of Georgia. We'll see you soon in Apalachee Farms.